Greg McGregor here, CEO of Bright Apps. I'm making a quick video demo of Orva for the purposes of Google's OAuth application approval for us. So Orva is a Slack app at the moment. It will be in other areas like Teams and so forth, but it's starting in Slack. And it's a productivity tool. It's all AI based. And one of the tools Orva has is the Google set of tools for email, calendar, Drive, etc., along with a bunch of other systems that I currently have installed. So the idea is I could read meeting notes from a calendar and then have the project manager follow up on tasks, and all this happens with the AI and sort of helps automate and run the business, becomes your productivity enhancer. So the purposes of today is to show you some of the Google features for our approval. The first thing it does, I think it's already got my permission because I had provided permission when I clicked the link, but let's see, what is on my calendar today? So I can do calendar requests. I can request meetings with other people. It'll figure out what the right time is on the calendar for everybody, etc. So we need permissions to update meetings, delete, modify, etc. on the calendar side. So we've provided that in there as well. Full Google Drive search is available. I could say, so those are my meetings today. I could have it summarize meeting notes. So that's the Google Docs. So summarize the Orva checkpoint meeting from Monday. Let's see, Monday, please. So this will go through and exercise more of the Google tools. And again, it's using OAuth 2, the application we're trying to get approved by you so that we can extend this to other companies. You know, each user's provided a link back to grant permission, and that's, you know, what happens. My OAuth token's already in the system because I've been using this today. I'm trying to think. I could quickly do an email to give you an idea of how this functions. The last 3 emails from Valerie. And do I need to do anything? Does she need anything? That probably be better. So there's the meeting notes summarized from a Monday meeting that we had. Any action items, you could ask it to pull out the task and action items, and then hand that off to the project manager. It'll create a project plan on its own, follow up with people, move the project forward. So it's those sort of productivity enhancers across the board in a number of industries. And, you know, to start, we use Google here at Bright Apps. So we've got the full Google tools and stuff like that. This is just to show you searching email, pulling out any content, what else? Any documents that might be attached and so forth, do an evaluation. Let's see. So Valerie, Chief COO here. Obviously, apparently we're hiring a DevOps. Doesn't need anything from me there. Looks like we're renewing GovWind. Yep. So we got to get that approved. Oh, and military invoice got fixed. So that's great. So that's one example on email and stuff like that. So I can just query on the projects. What are the last 3? What is the last? Let's see. How about a Google Doc? List the last 3. List the would be good. List. Find on the Google Drive the Air Force folder and look for any SBIR folders, projects in there, and list them for me. That actually is probably a little extensive. We're getting it to the point where it has full access across all shared drives, et cetera, across the company. So we have so many Google documents and drives, people can't remember what project we did for what, for the military or for customers. And so it becomes kind of nice just to query, find folders, ask questions, you know, who worked on this, what did we do, et cetera. This also ties into our harvest billing system, QuickBooks, paychecks, all this kind of stuff. So yeah, there was a couple of different Air Force projects that we had as well. So that should give you an idea of the type of query, how Orva works, and our need for having the OAuth 2 app approved so that we can then